Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace tail light bulb 2014 Toyota Highlander. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and turning off the vehicle. Open the rear hatch and remove the cargo cover to access the tail light assembly. Use a Phillips screwdriver to undo the screws, then twist and pull the bulb socket straight out. Replace with the correct bulb, test the light, and reassemble the panel carefully. Start by removing the interior access panel using a trim tool or flat screwdriver to avoid breaking clips. Next, unscrew the tail light assembly fasteners and gently pull the assembly outward to expose the bulb sockets. Grip the bulb socket firmly, twist it counterclockwise, and pull it straight out to remove the old bulb. Inspect the socket for corrosion or damage, gently clean contacts if needed, and prepare the new bulb for installation. With the new bulb ready, seat it into the socket and test it by turning the vehicle lights on briefly to confirm proper operation. Once confirmed, insert the bulb socket into the housing and twist clockwise until it locks securely. Reposition the tail light assembly against the body, reinstall the screws, and snap the interior access panel back into place. Finally, test brake, tail, and turn signals to ensure everything works properly and safely before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.